This must be a tornado or something. Look at it. Holy crap. Look at the hail. Like, wow, the hail's bigger than peas. Listen to that. Holy crap. Holy. Oh my god. Oh, I got that on film. What? It hit a street lamp and it sparked. Hit the street lamp or something over there and it sparked. And I got it on film. That thing, it went out, yeah. It hit the power pole. Yeah, our power's out. Oh, jeez. It hit the pole. It hit that pole over there. Yeah, it is. But it hit that power pole and it just sparked everywhere. Wow, I got that on film. This is crazy. Oh yeah, I told you we did. No, it's killing. It hit that one right over there. I got it on film too.
Yes, Doc. What I just said?
I got it on film, Grandma. It hit the. It hit a power pole and sparks just went everywhere. Just right over that dirt pile over there. Yeah. Oh man, careful. See that one behind that dirt pile way over there? It hit that one.
Why? What